a one-shot, that one game, Windows Terminal, a self-insert. But the best part about this level is that the spider part is consistent. It doesn't have any of this, what the hell is going on? Well, I guess there's no hiding from my problems.
Get to relax with a nice auto level. Let's see what this is like. Oh, there's a no auto version. Dude, that fate... Let's go. A lot of people made stuff like this. I think I was one of the first people to do it. I don't know. I was just playing Neverbound.
10 minutes to hide anywhere in this level, and whichever one of them I find last wins.
Lizzie,
Wait! Whoa! More chunks! More chunks! Run! Where did you get? How do I follow you?
8 horas, pero cuando me meto el nivel pone que dura 6, así que no lo sé, da igual, esa es la gracia del viaje, no sabes cuándo acaba, además lo importante es el viaje, no el final. ¡Toma! ¡Toma! ¡Toma!
¿Te lo has pasado?
Sí.
Tío, Dios mío.
Will it say 2.2 coming out in October? Do you think so? It still has the ding, but no text. Yeah, alright.
Speed tech slope boost, oh my god. Oh my god, it is possible. That's not possible though, I don't think. Absolutely. Nice and easy, you did it, it's nice and calm, and then this. I'm a little deranged.
Okay, montage over because we made it to 10%. And I finally passed this one. 6 years to finally come out. And this is what y'all gonna decide to make.
Information overload. So I decided to relax and just play the game. Here, let's try dry out, or drought. Guys, I don't think this is dry out. That's right, it turns out that all 10 levels had different names.
I mean, we're gonna pass 8. Let's just try to get as much as we can. Oh, 12.
Have platforms be at least 2 blocks wide. This makes it way more reliable to jump on due to lag and the speed of redstone and timey-wimey wibbly-wobbly things. A week went by and I spent that time making a little bit more than the first few jumps of Stereo Madness and ended up with a 5-minute level featuring a cube section, a ship section that's
a vibrant community, one that's constantly pushing the boundaries of both creativity and skill. And I honestly haven't seen anything like it. Geometry Dash is so much more than it appears on its surface. Geometry Dash is more than a mobile game.
Other one look like? Oh, no, I have seen that. Yeah.
And then there's also this at the very end, with the block on the bottom that's moved over for no reason.
What? Dude, I didn't know that one. What? That's crazy. From Top, what are you doing, bro?
The funny thing about sleep schedules is, and then the cube jumps into 3D again before jumping into 4D, which you made by programming a 4D hypercube in 3D software and putting that into the 2D game by using your line tracker thing. And after that, just, I don't know, simulate another big explosion of cubes in the background.
Say
that shit.
I'm so happy for you, dude.
I beat it! I beat Firework! I beat it! I beat Avernus! I beat Avernus! I beat Avernus! I beat Avernus! I beat Я прошел слоутер! Я прошел слоутер! Я прошел очарован!
No, we didn't. Why?
See, guys, I never needed to switch it anyway.
Let's go, I fluked it. Let's go.
GG.
Come on. Yes! Yes! Third victor. I'm shaking so hard. Oh.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Я не знаю, что сказать.